Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change emergency contacts on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Health app, then tap on the profile icon. From here, just go to Medical ID. Now on this page, you will find the option of emergency contacts. Now to change your existing emergency contacts, just tap on Edit. From here, you can tap on the minus icon in front of the contact number to remove the contact. Now just select Delete to remove the contact from your emergency contacts. Now to add emergency contacts, just tap on Add Emergency Contact. And from here, you can select the emergency contact which you want to add. Now once you add the emergency contacts from your contacts list, just tap on Done to save the changes, just like that. And this is how you can change emergency contacts on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.